Facing life after divorce, 5 practical ways. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. This video is all about the ways to handle your life after your divorce. Your life after divorce is very tormenting and distressing to you, isn't it? You feel mentally shattered when your marriage ends bitterly in the divorce court. When you married your spouse, you thought your relationship would last until the day you lived, didn't you? But after a few years of marriage, you find it impossible to live through your relationship. The relationship issues you face with your spouse make you feel that your marriage is a disaster. You feel you would be better off if you divorce your spouse. But after divorcing your spouse, you have all sorts of doubts about your decision. You often feel you have been very impulsive in ending your marriage. And life after divorce is not as easy as you thought it to be. My friend's daughter recently divorced her husband. She quoted lack of compatibility as the reason behind a divorce. We advised her that marriage takes time to settle down and that she should give a chance to make our relationship work. But the young girl did not listen to us. I'll be happy when I get my separation from my husband. I have a good job. So, I'm financially independent. I can look after my children on my own, the young girl was adamant. Surprisingly, after divorce, she was very unhappy. I cannot sleep in the night. I still cannot believe that I ended my marriage without thinking about the repercussions. Her face shrunk in anguish. He understood her problem and so did not say a word. I now realize that my husband was not a bad man. I could have adjusted with him. My children miss their father very much, and I am unable to answer the probing questions, she told us tearfully. Yes, many of you think divorce is an easy way out of your miserable marriage. But in actuality, after divorce, you're plunging your life into uncertainty. Life after divorce can be very traumatic and unhappy to most of you. After divorce, you feel a pain which is as acute as an amputation. Your mind screams in agony that you could have adjusted with your spouse. Your mind keeps rewinding your life with your erstwhile spouse. Now, you find a lot of good things about your spouse. But your marriage has ended. There is no going back. Your life after divorce makes you feel overwhelmed by your duty as a single parent. But you have no other goal than to be courageous to live through it. You need immense mental grit to reconstruct your life. Here are 5 practical ways to face your life after divorce. The number 1 way to live your life after your divorce is concentrate on your children. Your children are your primary concern. Your children should in no way feel the impact of your divorce. They are the ones who are most affected by your separation. When you divorce your spouse, their life instantly changes from a united family to a broken family. Your children love both you and your spouse equally. Your children are utterly confused when they are forced to live with a single parent. They have all sorts of doubts about what went wrong with their married life. Today's children are very shrewd. They want answers for the doubts about your separation. It is always better to tell your children the reason for your separation. But do not add spice to your explanation. Be frank, understanding, and friendly when you talk with your children. Make sure that you do not poison the tender mind against your erstwhile spouse. Number 2 practical way to lead your life after divorce is not to track your ex-spouse. This is a common mistake most of you make. Even after your divorce, you would never let go your ex-spouse. You follow the social media activities of your spouse. Your blood boils in anger when you see your ex-spouse having fun with the opposite sex. You eagerly ask the friends of your ex-spouse about what he or she is doing with his or her life. You're anxious to know whether your erstwhile spouse is caught up in any new romance. Never ever make this mistake. After divorce, tracking your ex-spouse only makes your hurt vivid and raw. Understand the simple fact that your marriage has ended and there is no going back. So, just let go spying your erstwhile spouse. On the contrary, if you keep tracking the activities of your ex-spouse, you'll only feel mentally disturbed. The number 3 practical way to handle life after divorce is not to get entangled in another relationship. Never get entangled in another relationship immediately after your divorce. Your decision will be highly emotional and impulsive. When your emotions are fresh and intense from your bitter divorce, you're all muddled up about what you should do with your life. And the number 1 mistake you make is getting involved in another relationship. How can you find the right person immediately after your divorce? You will only have another relationship failure. Never make the life of your children uncertain by getting involved with a person without knowing whether he or she will accept them. You do not want your children to undergo yet another turmoil, do you? Do not let your children feel lost and emotionally deprived because of your relationship mistakes. The number 4 practical way to handle your life after divorce is to behave with dignity with your ex-spouse. Most of you have immense grudge against your ex-spouse. You feel your erstwhile spouse was the reason behind the trauma you suffered. You coolly forget that you two were a part in your bitter separation. So give your ex-spouse the respect he or she deserves. What should you do when you happen to meet your estranged spouse? Do not start a needless fight with your ex-spouse. Your unhappiness will only be renewed. Be dignified when you talk with your ex-spouse. If your divorce was bitterly fought and you still feel the hurt in you, move away from the place. Do not insult your ex-spouse publicly. You will only hurt yourself. Remember that your ex means nothing to you. The number 5 practical way to lead your life after divorce is to be financially secure. Proper money management holds the key to your financial security. Divorce literally throws your life into a deep financial mess. Your income is halved because of your divorce, but your expenditure is doubled as you have to bear your financial commitments single-handedly. Pretty hard on you, isn't it? You should be very judicious in spending money. You need money to bring up your children. The education of your children is costly. So gear up to be financially secure and stable. Can you see that your life after divorce can be distressing? But you should be brave enough to handle it with courage. Divorce is not the end of your life. You must bring in all your resources to build your life from the debris of a destroyed relationship. Did this video make you understand that you must be strong-willed to handle your life after your divorce? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage better. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make Until Death Do Us Part your relationship goal.